Hello there, Stephanie here from My Prints Collection, the place where you will find illustration and lettering tutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to create an under the sea effect using the ocean set. The link will be in the description below, as well as a sample of this set if you want to try it out. If you like this kind of tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. So without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. The materials that I'm using are the iPad Pro 12.9 inches, the Apple Pencil, and the software is called Procreate, which is available in the App Store. And I'm going to start with opening the Procreate app. I have the screen size canvas. You can use any size that you want, and the color palette that I'll be using are these colors over here. I'll go through the values as we progress in this tutorial. So I'm going to set up my background. So I'm going to add a new layer. I'm going to select this color over here, tap, hold, and drag. And the values for this color are A1C8DA. So now that I have my background, I'm going to add a new layer and start drawing my ocean view. And I'm going to select the technical pen from the inking set, it's a default brush. And I'm going to start from a darker color to a lighter color as I progress in my design. So let's select this color over here. The values are 60, so it's pure black. And I'm going to slowly start to draw my ocean over here, and I'm gonna tap, hold, drag to fill this color over here. So I'm happy with this. Now I'm gonna add a layer on top of this one, and I'm gonna use the stamps from my collection to start to create this ocean effect. So I'm gonna speed up the process as I do so. And just a quick note, each stamp will be on a different layer, just in case I don't like it and I want to change or remove the stamp at all. Now that I'm happy with this, I'm gonna add another layer, and I'm gonna add another layer underneath what I've created. So between my background and all the layers that we've created, I'm gonna add a new layer over here, and I'm gonna select my second color. The values for this color are 012735. And I'm gonna choose the technical pen from the inking set. And I'm gonna start over here to paint here, to draw actually this. Tap, hold, and drag and I'm gonna do it at the top as well. Tap, hold, and drag. And in the same way that I did for this layer, I'm gonna also speed up the video and add some stamps over here. So I'm gonna add a new layer on top of this one, and I'm gonna start stamping. Okay, now that I'm happy with this one, let's add a new layer, and this time I'm gonna choose this color over here and use my technical pen as well. And underneath my background and this layer over here, I'm gonna add a new layer, and I'm gonna draw another. Tap, hold, and drag to fill this color over here. And again, I'm gonna add some more stamps. So perfect, let's add a new layer. So I'm gonna go to the bottom over here, add a new layer, and I'm gonna select this color right here. And the values for this color are 2685AA. And with the technical pen, I'm gonna draw another. And now I'm gonna add my final layer. So I'm gonna go over here, add a new layer with the same pen. Gonna draw this over here. So now that I have my under the sea effect, I'm gonna add some more stamps to create, so probably a couple of sharks and fishes, and so I'm gonna quickly finish this design over here, and in a second I will show you how I will add some light. So now I'm gonna show you how to add some light coming from this, coming from here, and I want it to be from these two layers. So right here the light will start and will progress over here. So I'm gonna locate the layers. So this one and this one. So exactly, we want right underneath this layer over here, we are going to add a new layer, and now selecting a white color, and now with the technical pen selected, I'm gonna draw a triangle like this over here, just to quickly show you. So you'll see we'll have here a triangle. I'm gonna fill this, and now I'm gonna place it over here so it's underneath, and I'm gonna increase and rotate a little bit. So I want the light to come like this over here, and I'm gonna duplicate this one to have more light coming from here. And there we go, we have these two, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna merge these two layers. I'm gonna go to Gaussian blur layer, and I'm gonna blur this a little bit. Let's say 90%, place it like this, and I'm gonna decrease the effect of this slightly. And we are done. We have created an under the sea effect with some light coming through this way using the ocean set. If you want to check this set, a link will be in the description below, as well as a sample if you wanted to try it out. If you think that this tutorial was useful, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe so that you will be notified when a new tutorial is published. If you decide to try this tutorial and share it on social media, make sure to tag me so that I can send you some love. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, happy drills and illustrations!